Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Mandy and this is Living Life Within a Budget. Today we have another Temu haul. Are you shocked? I'm not. Let's get into it. So for this Temu haul, everything in this haul I got for a really great deal. So pay attention to the prices that I paid. But these deals just keep popping up on Temu all the time. I do have to note that you can't have a cart limit when you get these deals so that you can pay for them and just pay that. Otherwise, you'll have to pay your limit as well. They keep adding mine and then taking mine away and adding it and taking it away. I don't know. But I was able to get a few things. So let's get into the first item. And this is a 4-pack. This is actually going to be for my husband. But it is enamel pins. And it's Smiling Friends. He really likes that show. There's that guy. Sorry, I don't know any of these guys' names. But I know that those are the main characters there. My husband's gonna really like those. Okay, what are you? Oh, this is also for my husband. Now, when I get things like this, I just pick whatever they can give, but whatever that I like type of thing. So a lot of these will be for my husband today. This is a 3-piece set. Now, they're really heavy duty, but they're aliens. You've got Hear No Evil. Speak No Evil. And See No Evil. My husband's gonna really like those. They're just little figures for like a desk or a shelf. He's gonna really like those. He really likes aliens. These are really cool, actually. The paint jobs aren't that bad either. The only one I'd say that needed a little bit of a touch-up paint job would be this one. Just around his eyes. Otherwise, they're really done really well. Can't really go wrong with just silver though. And they all stand really nicely. Okay. Next item is for my son for Easter. And again, it popped up for an amazing deal. And this is just a toque, but it has stitch on it. It's printed really nicely. It doesn't look like it'll like come off, but it may, so maybe wash it inside out. But he's gonna really like that. And that's gonna be for Easter. Okay, and next item is for myself. I'm actually going back over to Nova Scotia soon. If you haven't checked out my Nova Scotia vlog, make sure you go do that. Okay, but this is just a bag. And this is going to be part of my luggage. Now, this is actually a very decently sized bag. The material of it is a little bit thin. It's like that neoprene material, but that's okay. I don't need it to be thick. Okay, so inside, there's also, it comes with a strap, and those are some heavy duty clips. Those are really nice. Okay, and then this section here is actually to put your shoes in so that they don't get the rest of your clothing and everything dirty. But it goes right through and it's like a little pouch, but it's just to put shoes in. And then on the front here, you have this large pouch and this one here. It's like perfect for a cell phone, perfect for like your passport or whatever you may need. And you've got a water bottle pouch on the side that has Velcro. And then you've got a very decent amount of space in there. This is a very large bag. I honestly think it could be stuffed larger than what I'm thinking. Oh, and it also on the back. So there's a little zipper pouch on the back as well. And then it also goes right through so it can go on the handlebars of your suitcase, which will be awesome. I really like that bag. I'm really glad it came in time as well. Okay, and next. Oh, this is also for myself. Now, I got this on a whim just because it came up for a sale. But I've been really intrigued by these ever since I first seen them, so I have to pop the bubble wrap. But this, now it just looks like a box, but it's not. It comes with a whole bunch of miniature books. Now, they're not actually books. They're just like a piece of plastic or whatever that they've put the book covers on. Not seeing many books that I recognize, but that's okay. But it's actually shelves inside where you can set up the books. I just want to know if it's going to look like an actual bookshelf or not. Oh, I know that book. 50 Shades of Grey. There is a few books in here that I do know. I've seen some people getting like Twilight books, and like, I think you can buy specific ones to fit your shelves. There's also different types of shelves as well, bigger ones, and some without the front casing on it. I honestly like the front casing so that the books don't get lost because they are so little. And there you go. You can kind of see it. There is shelves in there. Once they are all placed, maybe I'll pop in a picture of what it's going to look like when I place them all, because that's going to take a long time. This is actually supposed to be for stress and anxiety, because you're supposed to like shake it up, and then you can mix and match and put your books where you want, and it's supposed to like elevate your mind. But I thought this would be really cool just as a display piece with all the little books on it. I do want to note that the inside is dusty, really dusty. So I may have to give all these books a quick little wipe down before I actually do it, but that's okay. I really like that. That is really cool. Okay, next item we have here. This is actually an item for my husband. Again, came up on a very great deal. I don't think he's gonna mind. This is a figurine, and if you're a gamer or you know what this game is, then this is Ratfink. And he does have, his arms are movable. Oh, this is really cool. So you can pose him. That is really, really cool. How about his tail? Is that movable too? Yep. It can swing out and swing in. His feet are also movable as well. Now, this is just a figurine for like my husband's desk or whatever, but I thought that this was amazing. And it's actually quite a decent size, especially for the price that I got it at. But this is really cool. Let me know in the comments below. Have you ever played Ratfink? Wasn't one of my games that I played, but I know my husband really likes it. And he stands really well, even when his arms are out, he still stands really well. That's awesome. Okay, and next item is for myself again. Now this is, I think I may not display these until Christmas. I don't know. I haven't figured that one out yet. But they're technically car ornaments, but I didn't buy them for that. I bought them as tree ornaments, but they are really nice quality. They're like a wooden cardboard material, but they're really nice quality. But they're a 6-piece set of Gilmore Girls ornaments. And there you have the gazebo. And they're all individually wrapped too, which I think is nice. And then here you have Lorelei's Jeep, and it says, "We're almost there and nowhere near it. All that matters is we're going practically gone already. Look out, world." Now, I don't know if these smell or not. I can open one up when we're done. This is Luke and Lorelei kissing. And they're printed on both sides, which is really nice. I thought that that would go really nice for the Christmas tree as well. First I drink the coffee, then I do the things. And then you have Lorelei and Rory. Now, these things without the faces kind of freak me out, but honestly, I don't mind it with these ornaments, so that's why I got these ones. And last one here is "Where you lead, I will follow." Now, let me open this one. I don't know if they have a scent or not because they are car things. Ooh, yes, they have a scent. It smells like a grandma's basement that has mothballs and really elderly perfume. That's kind of what it smells like. So hopefully those don't stink up my tree too bad. And last item we actually have here. Now, this came amazing quality. I was not expecting this at all, especially from Temu. So my son is really wanting a puppet, really wanting a Kermit, and I got the one from Temu here. I got it for an amazing deal. But the one in the picture looks a lot cheaper looking than the one I actually got. So you have the hand puppet here. Now, it is kind of tight, so my hand can't fit into it. It's definitely for a child. But there you go. He doesn't articulate his mouth as much as I think he should. But honestly, I think this is still an amazing quality for what it is and for the price I paid for it. My son's going to really like that, so that's going to be for Easter as well. And he's very plush and like plump as well. It's not just like weird material. It's actually like foam or something that's in there. Okay, so there you have our haul today for Temu. How did you enjoy everything? Did you like everything? If you have any comments or questions or concerns, please leave them in the comment box below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to join up to Temu and you're brand new to Temu, make sure that you click the link that's in my description box. That link could get you up to $100 off in coupons when you first sign up. Make sure that you hit that like and subscribe. Like the video, get this video out there. It really helps the algorithm. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe. Make sure that you stay a while. Thanks so much for watching. Have a beautiful day. Bye.